A cordial greeting. Today is Tuesday, July 25, 2023. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. In this video, I will be talking about a strong tropical wave, Invest 95, which is currently moving towards the south of Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. As forecasted, this disturbance is causing a lot of instability and heavy rains across the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and the Dominican Republic. Additionally, on its path through the Caribbean, it will bring heavy showers to Jamaica. During the weekend, these rains are expected to reach regions in Central America and, by the beginning of next week, some states in southern Mexico. A large part of the Caribbean, Central America, and southern Mexico will experience a high potential for heavy precipitation, which could lead to flooding issues. Later, I will show you the forecasted rainfall accumulations for the upcoming days in Central America and southern Mexico. This strong tropical wave is associated with Invest 95, which we have been monitoring for several days in the tropical Atlantic. The low pressure accompanying this tropical wave is currently located just north of Venezuela and is expected to maintain a westward trajectory until it reaches areas of Honduras and Nicaragua between Friday and Saturday. It's worth noting that the chances of cyclonic development have been decreasing over the past few days due to unfavorable conditions in the Caribbean. At 2 p.m., the National Hurricane Center marked the area with only a 10% chance of development over the next 3 to 5 days. At the moment, it seems unlikely to become a tropical depression, and in fact, the best global models do not show the development of a tropical depression before it reaches Central America. At least, these are good news. However, heavy showers are still expected over Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, Jamaica, Central America, and some states in southern Mexico. Although it only has a 10% chance of cyclonic development, we will remain vigilant in case there are any changes in this forecast and it manages to become a tropical depression. The European model ensemble currently gives a 30 to 35% chance that it may become a tropical depression between Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala, and Belize. Nevertheless, this cyclonic development is not foreseen, and heavy rains will arrive independently of whether it develops into a tropical depression or remains as a tropical wave. The specialized trajectory models agree that it should maintain a west to west-northwest movement, reaching Belize, Honduras, and the northern part of Nicaragua between Friday and Saturday. Afterward, it will continue its path towards Guatemala and the state of Chiapas in Mexico before moving over the eastern Pacific waters, where it might find more favorable conditions for cyclonic development. Let's now talk about the forecasted rainfall across the Caribbean, Central America, and southern Mexico. First, for Puerto Rico, tomorrow will be another rainy day with accumulations ranging from 1 to 2 inches of rain. Like today, Tuesday, Wednesday will be another quite rainy day. When this tropical wave reaches the Dominican Republic between Tuesday night and Wednesday, we expect some heavy showers affecting the eastern and southern parts of the country, with accumulations ranging from 40 to 75 millimeters. Caution is advised due to the possibility of flooding during the next 24 to 36 hours. Later, as it moves further west, Jamaica will be affected by some heavy showers. At the moment, we forecast accumulations between 25 to 50 millimeters, and Thursday is expected to be the rainiest day for Jamaica. Furthermore, on Saturday, this rain will move over areas of northern Nicaragua, Honduras, and some regions of Belize, with rainfall accumulations ranging from 35 to 75 millimeters. In some isolated places, it might even reach up to 100 millimeters of precipitation. There will be a high risk of flooding during Saturday and Sunday across all these regions. Between Saturday night and Sunday, this heavy rain will reach areas of Belize and Guatemala, as well as sectors of Tabasco and Chiapas in southern Mexico. We are concerned that some rainfall accumulations may exceed 100 to 115 millimeters. This rain will likely cause some flooding problems. Residents in this area should be prepared for a significant rainfall event starting from Saturday night and extending throughout Sunday. Between Sunday night and Monday morning, these heavy showers will move over the states of Tabasco, Chiapas, Veracruz, and Oaxaca. We anticipate accumulations of 50 to 100 millimeters of rainfall starting on Sunday and continuing through Monday morning. Well, that's all for the update on this strong tropical wave that, for now, is not expected to become a tropical depression. However, there will be a high risk of flooding for the Dominican Republic, Jamaica, the northern and central parts of Central America, and some states in southern Mexico. Additionally, I wanted to briefly mention that there is another tropical wave emerging from Africa, which has a low probability of becoming a tropical cyclone. The European model gives it a 40 to 50% chance of developing into a tropical depression in the eastern Caribbean. To learn more about this disturbance and its potential impacts, if any, on the Caribbean, I invite you to stay tuned for a video that I will be recording soon and will be available on my YouTube channel. Well then, I bid farewell and will update this forecast if necessary and if any significant changes occur. Have an excellent day, everyone.